In this video, I'm going to show you how to change and add time zones in Outlook. Let's launch the Outlook app. In the left side menu, click on the calendar icon. Now you should know something about the calendar time zone. While you are in the month mode of the calendar, you cannot see any specifications about the time zone. But if I go to the week mode, you can see a label called Home, which I saved as my own time zone. Not only the week mode, all the other modes such as work week, day, or schedule have the time zone label, but not the monthly mode. Now suppose you need to change or add another time zone to your calendar. In the title bar, click on File. In the left side menu, click on Options. In the Options menu, go to the Calendar tab. In the Calendar menu, go to the Time Zone section. Here you can see my primary time zone labeled as Home. If you want, you can change your primary time zone also. Now you can add 2 extra time zones along with your primary time zone. Check the second time zone box and your second time zone will be activated. Now you can give it a label if you want. Let's name it Work 1. Now click on the Time Zone section. From the drop-down, select your preferred time zone. If you want another time zone, just turn on the third one. Just like before, give a name and select your desired timeline. You can also swap your primary time zone with the other time zones. After you are done, click on OK. Here you can see that now there are 2 extra time zones with my primary one. Following these steps, you can add and change the time zones easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.